So the thing about being in quarantine is it gives you a lot of extra time to pay attention to things you're probably not paying attention to, like your girlfriend or wife or mistress. This is that 1969 Chevy C50 that I traded my 84 R30 big red ramp truck for. And other than 12 volt 5 acre CDL Dave driving around in it, we really haven't done anything to it because it's a pile of crap. It doesn't do anything good. It just breaks down a lot. But we don't have anything else that will do burnouts right now, and I kind of miss tire smoke. So I think we're gonna see right now, will this thing spin tires with a bone stock mid-90s P30 Chevy van 454 and whatever trans and rear end is under this thing. When's the last time I moved, Dave?
3 weeks ago.
A little rusty.
No, it's just dirt.
Is this from your yard?
Yeah.
That's where you live?
Yeah.
Georgia Clay? Alright, so first things first, what is it? Oh, it's a Gen 4 block. Look, it's got a mechanical fuel pump boss down there. I was wondering whether this was a Gen 4 or Gen 5 Chevy block. I put my seatbelt on, but I don't have one. So, 69 C50, I'd say she's a 10-footer. Lots of character, no substance. The paint job totally sucks. They painted right over the dents, right over the rust, looks like right over the dirt, and it really didn't even do a very good job of that. The clear coat is totally wrinkling. I think long term we're gonna sand this thing a bit and maybe give it a little of a patina look.
I don't know that it's got clear coat on it, to be honest with you.
If it doesn't have clear coat, then it's the paint that's wrinkling, or it's the clear that wrinkled. I don't know, but you can tell all over the place that the clear is shrinking and wrinkling, or whatever, or the paint is one or the other. So it needs suspension work, it needs wiring, the brakes are horrific, the gas pedal is mounted way too high, there's no stereo, there's no seat belts.
I did put front shocks on it though.
That did help quite a bit. You really can't haul anything on the back because everything rubs. But more importantly, we do love this truck. It makes me smile. It totally sucks, but it makes me smile. And there's potential there.
And what are we doing to this?
Oh, we're supercharging it. That's what you should do. When you have a bone stock 454, and I mean totally stock valve springs, stock cast iron heads, cast pistons, what you do is you get a Wyand 671 supercharger and a pair of Holley carbs and an MSD ignition, and you supercharge your engine, and you put a hole in the hood, and you make your own scoop.
With no front suspension. Let's just add more weight.
Yes. That'd be amazing. Alright, baby. Will you do a burnout? Let's find out. Oh no. Wouldn't spin the tires and it stalled. Let's try it again. Come on, girl. Oh no, it won't do a burnout. Maybe there's something we can shock the front tires with. This is really dumb. I've never done this before in anything but a golf cart. I just put the front wheels of a ramp truck up against the curb in an effort to do a burnout. Okay, don't drive over the curb. Man, maybe a reverse burnout. This pile of crap won't do a burnout. Oh, this is so disappointing. Hey, I'll try uphill. really disappointing. A third of the world's population is stuck at home thanks to the pandemic, and I own a Ram truck that doesn't want to do a burnout. Not enough bald eagles under the hood, and I refuse to give up this easily. We've already tried to park the front wheels against the curb and still wouldn't do it. I've not yet reached the point where I want to put some sort of fluid on the tires. I feel like that's cheating. So my second to last resort is to let it roll backwards down the hill a little bit, slam it and drive and punch it, and see if we can make the tires spin or make the transmission fall out of the truck. Wish us luck. I don't recommend this. All right, we're now rolling backwards, and then oh, it was so close to wanting to do it. All right, hold on. I think I got this. It was close. I feel like I might be able to make this happen. All right, we're gonna roll backwards a little more. There we go. Come on. All right, it kind of did it. Not well. Technically, it did spin the tires. Let's try one more time. So it does roast tires if you roll backwards fast enough. It will not do a brake stand. We can't just sit here and spin. It won't do that. But I bet it does donuts in the dirt. Let's try that. Donuts in the dirt. Here we go. There. It doesn't want to do that either. Oh my God. We got nothing. We literally have nothing. We got nothing. Much better. We should go before the police come. I figured out the key. 15 miles an hour in reverse, slam it and drive and floor it. That's how you do C50 Ram truck burnouts. It needs a blower. Let's go make that happen. Look at the tire. Dude. Oh, wow. We were on a rock when we did that burnout. That was... This is the Green Monster, a 1969 Ford Chevy.